Yes, we are going to look at how to withdraw the 30%. What is the current status on the 30% withdrawal? So basically, we'll log into the account here. We come to these three lines here, top right. We tap on it and click on my hubs. So once you click on my hubs, you scroll up from the account. Once the account is up to a year, you can claim. Once his account is up to a year, you can claim. So you can see this account is up to a year. So what you do, you tap on this claim. Tap on the claim. So as you are going, so you will check it out here. Calls are coming to my phone because of the withdrawal. So what I'm doing this video to clarify more. So let us look at it. You will now click on claim. Claim. I want us to look at the terms and conditions for the claiming, so that you can take informed decision. Every business has its own risk, its own advantages, and its own risk to take. Claim on unlock Wulx. Warning: you are trying to withdraw the Wulx balance of selected staking hub. This will result in change daily rewards of the NFT hub and can also impact your ranking. Which means that if you are a marketer, you want to push this business, if you withdraw, it will impact in your ranking. It will impact in your ranking. That's what we are seeing here. The impact in your ranking. Then this staking hub will no longer, number one, count in binary CA. And also, number two, it will not count in personal orders qualification for rank in Mavie compensation plan. This is for people that are partners, because in Mavie you have customers and partners. Okay, so if you agree with this and you want to move on, you now tap on this and select I am aware and accept the risk associated with the WLS withdrawal. That's the first risk. The second risk here you accept is I accept that by withdrawing, this staking hub NFT will no longer count for any point of qualification for Mavie binary weekly cap and point of orders qualification needed for ranks in Mavie compensation plan. If you accept this, you tap you accept. Now click on continue to withdrawal. Then when we come here, this is the amount of coin that is in this account. This is the amount of coin that is in this account here. And if you want to withdraw from this amount, you can type any amount you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw, or you type the whole amount that is here, you type it here. Then you click on this. This is the first one. I am aware of the dollar cap rule and accept the risk of claiming a lower amount of the WLX so that which has been unlocked. Number two, I accept that by withdrawing, this staking hub NFT will no longer count for any point of order qualification for Mavie binary weekly cap and point of orders qualification needed for ranks in Mavie compensation plan. This is also for partners. Any staking hub, because you can, is from here, if you go to staking hub, you discover that you can have more than one staking hub. So anyone you are withdrawing from, it means that it will not count for you in your ranking. Maybe you are a Ruby, want to go to Sapphire, from Sapphire want to go to Emerald or Diamond, it will not count for you. So if one is interested in being a partner, you need to consider this very well and take an informed decision. It's not something we do with emotion. It's from reasoning. You think what is the best for me at this particular time. So if you still want to go ahead to withdraw, you accept this, you accept, then you put the amount here you want to withdraw, and you type the amount. This is 13,833. But make sure you have set your withdrawal wallet. It's very important. Make sure you have set the withdrawal wallet. Now you click on continue to withdraw. If you are not set your withdrawal wallet, I'll do it at the end of this video. I will show us how to set the withdrawal wallet, so watch the end. I will show us because if you didn't put the right withdrawal wallet, your money is gone. You can see from what they will tell us here. So out of this amount, this 13,000, it say claim unlocks WLS. Warning: carefully review withdrawal information. Out of this 13,000 ULX, you request to withdraw all the 13,833 ULX, and there is a cap. Look at the burning cap here. So out of this 13,833 ULX, this account will be getting 1,041 WLX. Your withdrawal request is not reversible, and the decision you make cannot be changed later. So I don't make this video long. It means that if you want to withdraw, it's not reversible. If you click withdrawal, it remains. Now we have to check this once again. Let's read them one by one. Number one, I'm aware and accept that I may not be able to withdraw the whole unlock amount due to dollar cap. Number two, terms and conditions. I confirm that selected wallet is capable of receiving WULS on Ultron blockchain, and this is what I'm going to show us how to make sure you put the good selected wallet towards the end of this video. I'll be doing that. Then number three, I'm aware that this decision is not reversible and is final. You know, most time we do business, we don't read terms and conditions. It's very important we read it. So this is the times. This is final. No come call me or call somebody tomorrow and maybe start calling your leader or start saying that I don't want to withdraw again. It's final. It's not reversible. Number four, I'm aware that I will not receive 12,791 WLS, and I want to burn this amount and contribute to the whole community. So you are burning this amount out of what you want to withdraw to contribute to the community. And in cryptocurrency, burning is part of the mechanism they use to maintain the price of a particular coin or an asset. So if you agree to all these terms and conditions, you tap on it, you accept, then go to continue to withdrawal. Once you tap on this button, that is all. So now I'm going to show us how to make sure you put in the correct Ultron blockchain. If you have not set up the Ultron blockchain, I will put in the video in the description below where you set it up in your Metamask. First of all, set it up in your Metamask. I have a video on that. You can subscribe and check the description below or at the comment section for the video. Then check here, tap here if you want to add your proper withdrawal wallet. When you tap on that on where I just showed us here, you now come to settings. Come to settings. Tap on settings. Now come to wallet edit. Wallet, edit your wallet. Tap on this wallet, and add new. You click on add new. So you go to your Metamask and copy the WULX address which you have set. Check the description of this video to watch that video, how to set up your Metamask wallet. You can only withdraw to Metamask now. So you copy the address, you paste it here. This enter wallet address. Then enter the name of the wallet and click on add this address. Once this is done, let me do that practical so that you see it. Already I have copied the address, one address. I paste it somewhere. So let me get it here. Let me get it. So this address, this is a Metamask ULS address. You copy, assuming this for your Metamask now, you go and copy and paste it here. Wallet, you say wallet address, paste. Then name it. You want to name it maybe wallet 1. Wallet 1. You now click on add this address. Okay, enter address. Wallet 1. Add this address. Okay, you have already added address, so it has gone through. I try a second time, so it means this address has been added. So you can now proceed to your withdrawal, just as I just showed us. So if you have any comment, any questions, ask in the comment section. If you have anything to air your view, you can write it up so that let's know the next thing to do. We are here to help each other to create wealth. Thanks for watching, and let's meet at the top of success.